Welcome, in front of me is a Oppo A94, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You have a sound along with a pop-up right here, giving you option for scroll or send, and after a moment it disappears as you just seen. Now once you capture that screenshot, you can find it later on in your Photos application. So you can see it's right over here. So that is how you can capture screenshots, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.